Okay, this video here, I originally installed this Ampeak 2000 watt inverter, but it's not the pure sine wave. So I decided to upgrade it to this Renogy 2000 watt inverter. And with this inverter, it doesn't need a ground fault, it's already built in. Over here, I ended up installing a ground fault so that I could run my electricity with the ground fault for outside as an example. So back to this guy here, you got 3 outlets. You got an on-off switch here, off, on, and remote. Here's the remote that comes with it. So I'm going to end up taking the old Ampeak out, installing this. It also came with these 2 cables here, which I won't need. And this inverter over here, I have another use for that up at our cabin. So let me remove the old inverter and we'll install the new Renogy. And along with it, I'm going to post the original video that showed the installation of this disconnect switch over here. Okay, we've got the new inverter installed from Renogy, the 2000 watt, to replace the Ampeak 2000 watt that I had before. It slipped into the same spot, but it is longer. But I still have room over here to plug in to the outlets. So down over here, see that black plug, that remove that, and I can put an extension cord out outside and use it and plug it in. I ended up ordering a couple more flat extension cords. They're only short ones to plug in here because they're so close to the door. And we got the inverter right here on the remote position. And then over here, we have the disconnect on so that the inverter is connected to the battery. And then over here is the remote switch. I'm going to turn that on. There she goes. And over here, this plug here is for an air fryer. And that's in my inverter plug. The bottom plug is inverter, the top one's short. I have another episode where I wired up the plug separately. So over here I'm going to turn on the air fryer. There she goes. This is an 800 watt air fryer. So everything worked out really nice. And this inverter is probably twice as much as I spent on the other inverter, but I had to buy a ground fault plug for it. But I decided it was on sale. It was normally $320 and bought it for $281. So if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And have a nice day.